Hello, everyone. One fine morning in 1947, something very interesting happened in the Indian subcontinent. As the British colonizers walked away, at the stroke of midnight hour, 15 August, two nations were born for the first time on the basis of religion. All the Bengali people in the Greater Bengal region wake up and saw that they are no more Bengali. If they are Hindus, they are supposed to be Indians. And if they're Muslims, they are supposed to be Pakistanis. And what happened more interesting is when the Hindu people went for a big land called India, Pakistan chose to be two slices apart from each other by 1,600 kilometers of Indian territory, only to find an ideal land for the Muslims, who are supposed to be the minorities. But then something interesting happened in 1971. The eastern part of Pakistan liberated to be Bangladesh. And since then, an interesting thing has been noticed in these two regions, the West Bengal, India, and Bangladesh. These two people all belong to the same ethnicity, but they struggled with their identity crisis. Are they Indians, or are they Pakistanis, or Bangladeshis, or are they Bengalis? So this crisis was supposed to be covered by all the literature and films. But interestingly enough, again, there is a huge vacuum in the films. And as a film scholar, I happen to notice that whenever we are going for partition films, we have to go back to this one person who kept questioning the struggle for freedom, who's kept questioning that where is our home, and who also acknowledged the fact that the railway lines, which were supposed to be an union, now are showing that they are a sign of separation. We hated to acknowledge these true things that were happening around us. And we were also seeing an older generation withering away with an hidden history of partition trauma and sufferings under their wrinkled skin. So my research deals with how the vacuum could be filled up with newer films to come, and how and why there are not much films on them. Maybe I will end up agreeing with what Ernest Renan had popularly said. Nations are based as much on what the people jointly forget as what they remember. Thank you.